A uniform distribution is a type of continuous probability distribution where the events are all equally likely to occur. The height of a uniform distribution with endpoints a and b is 1 over b minus a. The mean of a uniform distribution is a plus b over 2, and the standard deviation is b minus a over the square root of 12. Ashley is waiting for a trolley. The amount of time before the next trolley arrives is represented by the variable x, and x is uniformly distributed for values between 4 and 18. So a is 4 and b is 18. What is the probability that Ashley waits between 12 and 16 minutes? So that's talking about the shaded region. So the probability is equal to the area under the curve from 12 to 16. And the area of a rectangle is equal to the length times the width. So the length of that shaded region is 16 minus 12, or 4, and the width, or the height, is 1 over 14. So we want to multiply 4 times 1 over 14, and we get 0.2857. What is the average time for how long she will wait? So we are looking at the entire uniform distribution from 4 to 18. We are no longer concerned with the shaded region from 12 to 16. So the mean is equal to a plus b over 2, or 4 plus 18 over 2, and that's equal to 11 minutes. Part C says, what is the standard deviation for the wait time? So that's equal to 18 minus 4 over the square root of 12, and that's 4.04 minutes. And one more thing I want to mention about the mean. 11 minutes is exactly halfway between 4 and 18.